Have you ever said something and the moment it left your mouth, you knew that wasn't what I meant? Maybe it came out too fast, too sharp, too much, or not enough. And afterward, you replay it. Why did I say that? Why didn't I just pause? Today's meditation is about something subtle but powerful. Learning how to pause so your words come from truth, not from reaction. Hey everybody, welcome to today's meditation. I'm Mary Beth Rim. I'm a mental health therapist. I'm a coach. I'm a runner. And this is your Living Forward meditation series where we reconnect to the body. We slow things down and begin to live from a deeper place of awareness. And if this work resonates with you, I invite you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is a space where we practice coming back to ourselves again and again. And if you're ready to deepen this work, I've created a 7-day nervous system reset, a guided experience to help you regulate your system so you can respond with intention instead of reacting automatically. And you can find that in the description. So let's go ahead and start. Settle into your body. Find a comfortable position. Be seated, lying down. Just allow your body to settle. Let your hands rest naturally either in your lap or by your side. And when you're ready, softly close your eyes if that feels safe. If it doesn't feel safe, just gaze down. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose. And gently exhale through your mouth. Again, inhaling and exhaling. Let the breath soften, finding its natural rhythm. Now, bring your awareness into your body. Feel where you are supported. Let your shoulders drop, your jaw soften, your body begin to release. Now bring your attention to your breath, the rise and fall. Steady, grounding. Now gently bring awareness to your chest, your heart space. And simply notice what's here. No judgment. No need to change anything. Just awareness. Now imagine a quiet space within you. A place that is not rushed, not reactive, not pressured, just still. Now imagine you are in a conversation. Someone says something to you, and you feel a reaction rise inside. Maybe it's tension, emotion, a quick urge to respond. Just notice that moment. that instant before words come out. Now, instead of reacting, pause. Take a slow breath in and feel your body. Feel your feet, your chest, your center. Stay here for a moment. This space right here is where your power lives. Not in the reaction, but in the pause. To feel what it's like to not rush, to not fill the silence, to let the moment breathe. Notice what shifts inside you. When you give yourself this space, the intensity softens, the urgency fades, and something deeper begins to emerge. Your truth, not the fast version, not the defensive version, but the grounded, clear, aligned version. You can silently say, I pause so I can respond from truth. Let that settle in your body. Now, from this grounded place, imagine yourself responding. Not quickly, not perfectly, but honestly. Your words come from your center, not from pressure. There is no rush. There is no need to prove or defend or fix. Just clarity. Just presence. Just truth. Feel the difference. Now let the image begin to fade and bring your awareness back to your body, your breath, your presence. Notice the calm, the space, the steadiness within you. This is always available to you. In every conversation, in every moment, you don't have to react. You can choose to pause and respond. Now gently begin to come back, noticing the room, the space around you. And when you're ready, softly and safely, open your eyes. As you move through your day today, see if you can notice the moment right before you speak. And instead of rushing, pause, even for a second. Because that second changes everything. If this meditation resonated with you, I invite you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and continue this work with me. And if you're ready, to build the capacity to pause in real time, my 7-day nervous system reset is available to you to help you regulate your system so your responses come from clarity, not reactivity. And today, just remember, you don't have to react. You can pause and let your truth arrive. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. Until next time, I'm Mary Beth Rim.